Okay, in this project, what we're going to do is review Microsoft Word. Most of you should already know the basics. This is just a review. We'll learn how to underline, bold, italicize, font color, font size, color, highlight, clip art, and word art. Okay, first thing I need you to do is you're going to open up All Things Beautiful PDF. You'll open it up. This will serve as a template of what you want to do. 1 second. It's still downloading. So it'll be right here. So again, this is a template. Use this, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same. So here I used a word art. It doesn't have to be exactly. You can use a different type. I put a clip art of a lion. Any creature would do. A lizard, a bird, whatever. But I do need a graphics in there. If I underline, please underline. This is a smaller font size, so please make it smaller. This is bold, so please bold it, only the A. I colored this, so please color it. It doesn't have to be pink. You could have a different color. Each is bold. This is the whole font size for all of these are 14. So keep it one page, but make sure it's 14, and this is double space. Of course, the smaller ones are different font. Okay, again, you can use whatever you want as long as it applies. So flower, you can have a flower here. Mine's a leaf, so flower would have been better. Bird, make sure this is word art. Make sure this is color. This is bold. This is a different font type. Okay, and this is blue. Word art and highlighted. Okay, so use this as a reference. What you're going to do is open up Word. And here it is. It's opening up to my other screen. Once you open that up, you're going to close. You can close this, and then you can click on. This is one way to get word art. The other way is you insert, and you go to pictures, and here's also word art. It's the same. If you want clip art, is here. If you want word art, is here. Both are the same. Here's clip art, and here's word art. So choose whatever you want. So it'll be All Things Beautiful. And then, okay, there it is. If, for example, your font, see how, notice that these are circle and they're, it's empty inside, they're just circles. If for some reason the layout is like this, which are black boxes are not our friend. So make sure you change it. You could do a right click and it's going to be format word art, and I like using in front of text. Okay, that means you can move it. It's much better than the other one. Then you double click and you could start. So All Things, this one will be bright, and this one and beautiful. Okay, how do I know that? Because when I go here, up on this, so I skipped the space right here because I wanted a word art, and then this is italicized. So first thing I need is 14. I need to change this to 14. This one is italicized. So here are my bold, italics, and underline. This is to change the font. This is to change the size. This is to highlight. This is to change color. So you can do whatever color you want. Okay, highlighting it. And so this one I need a word art. Pick whichever one. Bright. So then again, it's like that. If you need to insert a, then you do next one. If you need to insert a clip art, you can go here or up on this insert, and then you choose, for example, sun. That's a good one. So once you click it, you're going to have to wait a little bit. It'll come soon enough. Oops. Okay, here's some pictures of the sun. They're coming up. So let's say I want to choose this. I click it, and there it is. I can resize it. Again, if it's For example, if it is in line with the text, it's so hard to move. Okay, you're just going to click it, and if you see the dog here, go in front of text, and look at that, much easier to move. Okay, go through all of this, make sure you keep it to one page, size 14 except for these small ones, and then do what you need to do. Make it yours, but make sure you change what I've changed. If you have any questions, talk to me.